Good morning folks, Jim Langlands here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Friday the 14th of December. Early optimism following yesterday's FOMC result and today's Eurozone meeting that finally allocated the delayed bailout funds to Greece. That waned as the concerns over the fiscal cliff negotiations took over. Sending equity markets a little bit lower, the risk currencies went down with it, and all up it's been a bit of a negative day really for markets. The euro though, that's pretty much unchanged. It's still at 130.70. It's traded between 130.40 and 131. Not looking like doing anything very much in either direction at the moment, and I think we're probably in for a bit of a range bound session again. Dollar yen, the yen's still weak all round. The dollar's at 83.60 at the moment. We've got the election on Sunday and we've got the Tankan today. It looks as though in the longer term the yen's going to continue to weaken. I'm not sure it's going to go up. The dollar's going to go up too far today, though the shorter term charts are a little bit overbought, and I'll be surprised to see us go too much higher than current levels, but equally on the downside, dips are well supported. Cable, that's at 161.05. S&P downgraded the outlook for the UK today. That sent cable down to below 161 at one stage. Got out on 160.80, but it's recovered to 161 at the moment. And it'll be interesting to see what Europe do when they get in and they have a real go at sterling after the S&P decision that stated that the UK could be in danger of losing its AAA status early next year. What else we got? We got dollar Swiss at 92.40. Broke down below that support earlier on today. Got down to 92.25. The dollar looks a little bit heavy there. The Swiss National Bank didn't deliver any surprises today at the interest rate meeting, and that saw the Swissy strengthen a little bit. And it wouldn't surprise me to see the dollar head a little bit lower in sessions to come there. Elsewhere, we've got the Aussies at 105.20 and the Kiwis at 84.25. They've both come off from their highs, in line with the lower equities, but not doing too much damage really. The Aussies holding well above 105 at the moment. Although we've got some Chinese data coming out later on today. We've got the HSBC manufacturing PMI for December, and Chinese foreign direct investment later on today. May cause some minor volatility, but I don't think we're going anywhere too far. So that's really about it. Looking ahead, further ahead, we've got European and US CPI data out today, and they might provide some direction, but overall it's really the fiscal cliff issues that are concerning the market, and the 31st of December headline, 31st of December datelines currently is approaching pretty fast, and without any resolve, it doesn't look as though the equity markets or the US dollar can really make any decent gains going into towards Christmas. So that's really about it today. If you do want a more comprehensive outlook on the markets, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au, and that aside, please just remember that any outlook mentioned here is a personal view only and not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's all for the week. Have a very good one, and we'll talk to you on Monday. Cheers.